The question says, Nakul is a trader. He buys and sells goods on credit. He buys most of his supplies from one supplier, Nadia, who allows Nakul a trade discount of 20%. The first part asks you to make a purchases journal. A purchases journal records all credit purchases of inventory. So the transactions highlighted here are for the purchases journal. For the purchases journal, you have to write the date on which the purchase transaction took place. In the details, you write the name of the person from whom the goods were purchased. In the amount column, you need to write the amount after the trade discount. So for January 12, the amount would be 350 multiplied by 20%, that is equal to $70. 350 minus $70 is equal to $280. $280 is the amount after the trade discount. Similarly, for January 18, you need to do 400 multiplied by 20%, that is equal to $80. 400 minus $80 will give you $320. And for January 29, you don't get a discount, so you just put the amount as it is. The total of this journal is posted to the purchases account in the nominal ledger. For part B of the same question, you need to make a purchases returns journal. A purchases returns journal will show returns made to credit suppliers. The transactions marked in purple are for purchases returns. To make the purchases returns journal, you need to write the date on which the returns were made. In the details, you write the name of the suppliers to whom returns were made. In the amount column, you write the amount net of the trade discounts. So for January 14, you do 80 multiplied by 20%, that is $16. 80 minus $16 is equal to 64. For the returns on January 30, you write the amount as it is because we did not get any trade discounts when we purchased the goods from Sophie. For part C of the same question, you need to make an account of Nadia in the ledger of Nakul. So you need to think like Nakul. For Nakul, Nadia is a trade payable. A trade payable account will appear in the purchases ledger of Nakul. The transactions marked in green must be recorded in this account. On January 2, Nakul pays Nadia $441 for a debt of $450, which means Nakul had an obligation to pay Nadia $450 on January 1. So balance brought down is recorded on the credit side of this account as it is a liability. The payment made on January 2 will be recorded on the debit side of this account, as the liability will reduce once the payment is made. The payment that is made is $441 for a debt of $450, which means Nakul is receiving a discount from Nadia of $9. This is a cash discount. On January 12, Nakul purchases more goods from Nadia worth $280. This will increase his liability towards Nadia. Hence will be recorded on the credit side. On January 14, Nakul is returning goods to Nadia. This reduces his liability towards Nadia, so it is recorded on the debit side. On January 18, Nakul purchases more goods from Nadia worth $320. Finally, to calculate balance carried down on this account, we do total of heavy side, that is 1050, minus total of light side, that is 514. We are left with 536. On January 31, Nakul owes Nadia $536. This will be brought down on February 1.